Today we are presenting the following product. The Railway Fast Method paint set from Amo by Mick Jimenez. The kit contains the following colors: rust wax, medium rust, old rust, matte black, dust and earth. Besides the kit you will need an airbrush. You don't need to dilute the colors, you can directly paint with them. The manual is printed on the back of the box. The idea of the kit is to give a very realistic result with the least amount of colors. You start with rust wax. Then you paint both tracks with it. At the moment it will look quite extreme, but it will be tuned down in a moment. Then you fill your airbrush with earth color and paint it next to the tracks. In the next step we use dust color to paint the side of the track. At this point the result is very good already. In the next step we can put old rust on the tracks. The kit chooses using matte black in between the rails. We skipped it as it would accent too much the studs contact of our marking tracks. The medium rust is very bright and should only be slightly used if at all. Before the colors fully dry we clean it away. Later we use the rail clean rubber to get off most of the rest. In case it is still dirty, I like to use a cloth with a little bit of acetone. Be sure not to touch any plastic when cleaning with that, as it will be damaged. It is very aggressive but it cleans very well. So what do we think about this product? Well, we really liked it, as we would have no ideas which color to buy. The only drawback is that you don't use the same amount of each color, so we'll have to start buying the colors separately. We used a lot of rust wax, dust and earth paint, but not so much of the other. If you don't find the kit, then buy these 3 colors and you should get a very good result. So we hope this product presentation was useful. Check our Facebook, Twitch and Discord for other content.